5 ways to expand your child's English vocabulary. First one is play word games. This is a fun way to expand your child's English vocabulary. Scrabbles, crossword puzzle, word search are some of the best games to improve your child's vocabulary. I have already uploaded one video in the past on crossword puzzle. You can find the link in the description box given below. Don't forget to check it out. Also watch the video till the end. I will share one interesting game with you to expand your child's English vocabulary. Second is use of flashcards. This is a quick way to build a strong vocabulary. This will help your child to memorize the words quickly. Third one is develop a reading habit. Reading is a wonderful way to learn new words, and you will be able to explore new words, and you will also learn how they are used. Fourth is use the dictionary. You can look for the meaning of a new words. Simultaneously, you will be able to see the synonyms, the root words and related information. If your child is young, you can use the picture dictionary like this. The picture dictionary is the best way to introduce the concept of dictionary. If you want detailed review on this book, please comment below. I will create another video for the same. And fifth one is listening. Listening is the first way to build any language skill. Do you all even remember how your child learned his or her mother tongue? Yes, you are right, by listening. It is very hard to minimize your child's screen time, but you can use it in another way to build language. Keep a watch what content your child is watching and limit screen time. Allow only educational websites and cartoons. Rishu, these are 17 word tiles. You have to build as many words as possible using only these letters, 17 letters. Okay? Your time starts now. Let's see how many words you can build.
Leg.
Leg. Very nice. Leg.
Fog.
Fog. Wow.
Bend.
And bend.
Brim.
Brim.
Fog. Hot.
Hot.
Pot.
Pot.
Plan.
Wow, great.
Plug.
Plug. Very good.
Plum.
Plum. Yes, plot is right. You have built 10 words, Rishan. Good job.